Let's see if this works. So I'm going to draw the question on bearings. An aeroplane flies from point X on a bearing of 030 or 30 degrees for 15 kilometers to point Y. From Y, it then flies on a bearing of 150 degrees for 25 kilometers to point Z. Okay, so let's start drawing. What I first like to do, I like to draw a point. So any point on your paper, I like to draw a point, just so that I know an aeroplane flies from point X. So we have a starting point. Let's make this point. Oh, I could actually just make this point X. Okay, from here, I want to go and draw another segment that tells me where's north. So I'm just drawing, that's a skew north, but let's draw this as north. And then this here, this north, so there would be north. It would show when an ant walks on this, like 2D figure, and the ant walked this way, they're walking north. Or if an ant walks this way, it's walking east. But with bearings, we're talking about north because we're checking only around this point, about from here, only around the point. Okay, so this is north. Then we check, it says on a bearing of 30 degrees for 15 kilometers. Okay, let's start with the 30 degrees. So we're going to check 30 degrees. Where would 30 degrees be around this point of X? So we say this would be probably, not probably, this would be 90 degrees. Because if you walk around this point, this is 90 degrees, this is 180 degrees, this is 270 degrees, and then 360 degrees. So only we're working with point X and the north. So let's say over here, this would be about 45 degrees because it's in the half of the 90 degrees. Okay, so 45 degrees here. I'm just doing this rough, so no need for a protractor over here, not for this test. So 30 degrees would be around here. So I'm going to draw a 30 degrees, and this could be any measure that you think would be probably around 15 kilometers, but only a rough sketch, so it doesn't have to be exact. Okay, next up. So we'll see, I quickly drew in this N and this Y. This N is for north, and this is point Y that we drew just now. This is the 30 degrees from around this point, so 30 degrees to that side. Now we're going to check from Y. It then flies on a bearing of 150. Let's start from Y, so always with true bearings, we're going to go and make an N, so the north. And then we are going to check for 150 degrees. So on a bearing of 150 degrees for 25 kilometers. Let's go and start to look for 150 degrees. So from the north, this is 90 degrees around point Y now. So 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, but we don't need that. Let's only look at from here, 90 degrees to the 180 degrees, because we are checking for where on earth this 150 is around this point. So then we're going to draw a line segment. So this is just a rough sketch. So I think that it's probably going to be around here, the 150, because 180 is here. So I think 150 would be around here. Then I'm going to draw how far I think the 25 kilometers would be. Let's just draw it here. And then you would have drawn everything. So I just shown here 15 kilometer. This is not what we want. This is 15 kilometers. This is the 25 kilometers. And then this is the bearing 150 degrees from Y to Z. And this is the bearing 30 degrees from X to Y. And that's it. Hope it helps. Bye.